shout out to our hard-working race marshals, man. Thanks so much. Racing suits, some of the most high-tech helmets. Speaking of which, we are sponsored by Evo Helmets. Check out the Evo helmets on display here today at Clark International Speedway for some awesome high-tech helmets that you can purchase here live today. And as you can see on the main straight, there's a view of the brand new, newly built branch actually of Doodle T, always sit worthy, Doodle T. And Mexicab. Clark International Speedway branch now open. Check it out. There goes an awesome shot. Courtesy of our drone pilots, Race.MPV and Ohio Aerial. Got some fantastic track weaponry getting showcased over here, courtesy of Ducati. 200-kilometer distance or 50 laps have to be completed for this first ever Army Navy Club 200 endurance.